just going to demonstrate how you remove the rear brake pads. It's a very simple process. Okay, the pads are held in position with a bolt that runs through the pads, and then it has a quick release lock pin here. So I'm just going to remove that pin and then unscrew the bolt. Once that's removed, the pads are actually in like a cartridge. So you effectively lift up, and there we go, that's your brake pads. Okay, before we reinstall the new brake pads, we're going to need to release the caliper on its housing, so it's floating around. So as you can see, I'm just backing off the bolts, just enough for the caliper to then move around before fitting the new brake pads. Okay, with the caliper loose, I'm now just going to fit the new brake pads into the caliper. Install the pin. And then reinstall the quick release locking pin just at the back. Okay, so that's the brake pads finished. Now what we need to do is reset to where the caliper wants to sit. Best way to do that is to compress the brake lever so that the caliper is then locked. And at the same time, while you're compressing this lever, you then tighten the bolts for the rear caliper. That will put the caliper in its natural position for when the brake's applied. Okay, now that's all tightened up. That's the caliper sitting in its optimum position, and you're good to go. Everything's all done.